Absolute power doesn't just corrupt, it makes people weird. Statues decapitated, castles moved, virgin bodyguard armies. Welcome to Archivefacts. Today we're diving into the most absurd, petty, and downright stupid demands ever made by rulers who had way too much power, and absolutely no one to stop them. Let's begin. 1. Kim Jong-il's Special Forces Rice Inspectors. The North Korean dictator built a team of women armed with tweezers to inspect every single grain of rice he ate. Too long, gone. Too short, gone. While the nation starved, his rice bowl was a museum of perfect grains. 2. Pharaoh Pepi II's human fly traps. Hated flies so much he covered slaves in honey and used them as live fly catchers. Ancient Egypt. Cruelty, level 100. 3. Henry VIII's poisoned bed-test servants had to kiss the king's sheets every night to check if they were poisoned. If they lived, he slept. Great job, terrible job security. 4. King James VI moves an entire castle. Annoyed by a boring preacher, the king literally moved his whole castle miles away. Peak petty, peak power. 5. Henry IV's royal musk. He believed his unwashed body odor was an aphrodisiac. Told his mistress, "Don't wash, I'll be home in 8 days." Royal romance was different. 6. Gaddafi's virgin bodyguard army, Muammar Gaddafi, was protected by an elite unit of all-female virgin bodyguards. Combat ready, and PR strategy bizarre. 7. Prussia's tobacco parliament officials were forced to drink beer and smoke pipes with the king every night. Non-smokers had to hold cold, unlit pipes in their mouths. Democracy? No. Second-hand smoke? Yes. 8. Niyazov, the man who renamed time Turkmenistan's dictator, renamed January after himself, April after his mother. He even renamed bread after her. Imagine having your birthday in His Majesty's Mom month. 9. The giant army that never fought. Frederick William Mai collected tall men like action figures, kidnapped them, recruited them, bred them, and never sent them into battle. Too precious to scratch. 10. Nero's 5,000-man clap squad. Nero hired thousands of men trained in special clapping techniques to applaud him. Clapping as a government job. 11. Leopard hats. Illegal for everyone, except the dictator Mobutu banned the entire country from wearing leopard print hats. Why? Because he wanted to be the only one. 12. Empress Elizabeth's 3-hour hair ritual. Her floor-length hair ruled her life. Hairdressers presented fallen hairs on a silver tray. Lose too many, you might get slapped by royalty. 13. Caligula replaces gods' heads with his own. He beheaded sacred Greek statues and replaced them with marble busts of himself. Pray to Zeus? No. Pray to Caligula as Zeus. 14. King George IV's industrial corsets ate too much. So he used steel-reinforced corsets to fake a slim figure, rumored to have been buried in one. 15. The emperor who died from his immortality pills. Qin Shi Huang took mercury pills to live forever. Instead, he died at 49. Irony level, historic. That's part 1, and we've only scratched the surface. If you're shocked now, wait until you see part 2. Hit like, subscribe, and join Archivefacts channel for part 2 of history's most insane demands.